कन्यादान के बाद मम्मियाँ कहती हैं कि असली इम्तिहान तो अब शुरू हुआ है, अभी इम्तिहान की ही बारी है. But before we go into the song, for her it wasn't the test. I think it was her performance right from day one. When she was 5, she started singing bhajans in temples. And then at the age of 15, she was still in her SSLC. She performed for the first time on stage, belting out nothing less than Lata Mangeshkar numbers. It's been 25 years since then, and she has many, many years of experience, over 1,500 shows to her credit. That is quite something. And you know what? She doesn't even have formal music training. What she does have is Maa Ka Aashirwad. And I saw what that can do because Ekta Ji's mother made a surprise visit to the show. And if you see that extra twinkle in Ekta's eye today, I can promise you it's because of Auntie Ji sitting in the audience. So a little more about her. She's always been very passionate, have to do things differently, but differently like setting the trend. So a lot of firsts in her life, really. She can effortlessly render a Lata, Asha to a Shamshad Begum number. In fact, as per audiences, as supportive as you, she's currently the best voice for Shamshad Begum. So that is quite something. She's the first Gujarati professional singer in the whole of South India with 25 years of experience, which is a first to move from the cliche and organize theme-based shows. And usually, the shows that we go to, the female singers brought in only for the duet, but here she's going to rock the show. Ekta Shah Productions was something that she started last year with this motivation and belief in herself. And she's into her 4th successful show. The first show was, again, one of its kind, Awaaz De Kahan Hai. It was a tribute to 13 female playback singers of Bollywood, from Noor Jahan to Asha Bhosle ji. After that, it was Valentine's Day, Dil Ki Baatein. And then a third was again a first, a tribute to Mohammad Rafi Saab on his 34th death anniversary. And the show was called Pyar Ka Sama. She dreams to continue giving us great shows, and I'm pretty sure this dream is one such. Coming to Imtihan, it's people like her who make you believe that doing regular things get even better if you do it with the right person. So I think to be here and listen to retro music with the right kind of singers is all that it takes. Ekta Ji with Roz Sham Aati Thi from Imtihan.
गुदगुदाए मुझे, हौले हौले धीरे धीरे कोई गीत मुझको सुनाए, प्रीत मन में जगाए, खुली आँख सपने दिखाए, दिखाए दिखाए दिखाए, खुली आँख सपने दिखाए। ये आज मेरी जिंदगी में कौन आ गया, रोज शाम आती थी मगर ऐसी न थी, रोज रोज घटा छाती थी मगर ऐसी न थी। अरमानों का रंग है जहाँ पलके उठाती हूँ मैं, अरमानों का रंग है जहाँ पलके उठाती हूँ मैं, हंस हंस के ये देखती जो भी मूरत बनाती हूँ मैं, जैसे कोई मुझे छेड़े जिस और भी जाती हूँ मैं, जगमगाती हूँ मैं, दीवानी हुई जाती हूँ मैं, दीवानी 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 हुई जाती हूँ मैं। ये आज मेरी जिंदगी में कौन आ गया, रोज शाम आती थी मगर ऐसी न थी, रोज रोज घटा छाती थी मगर ऐसी न थी। मगर ऐसी न थी, मगर ऐसी न थी।
थैंक यू सो मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। ये बात बहुत ही सही है। हर एक की जिंदगी में कोई एक ऐसा आ जाता है या आ जाती है जिसके बाद हर दिन, हर रात, हर शाम वैसी नहीं रहती। और ये गाना इसीलिए मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि बहुत ही हल्के शब्दों में दिल की सारी बातें इस गाने में बयां की गई है।